Hey guys, Michael here, and I'm back to talk bricks. Today we're talking LEGO Dimensions and all of the Sonic the Hedgehog characters which were just revealed. This picture was first posted today on the LEGO Dimensions Twitter and Instagram accounts, and it definitely got lots of fans excited. As you can see here, we have a scene from the Sonic the Hedgehog level pack, which depicts Sonic and many of the other characters, which is really exciting to see. Let's break down how they look compared to the original designs. Here we have Shadow, and he looks really great. The simple design printed on the torso here depicts the fur that we can see on the design on the right. While we can't see too much of the details, we can see some of the red streaks in his hair. And the overall head shape is similar to Sonic's. Next up we have Knuckles, and I really love the look of the head design here. We can see all of the same details and the shaping around the eyes. We also can see a bit of printing on the torso, which shows that white U-shape that we can see from the original design. It's a bit hard to see in the picture, but he is holding an accessory to give his hands a bit more bulk, and it probably features those spikes like we can see here. Next up we have Tails, and I love the look of this character. The head sculpt here looks perfect with all the different whiskers and details of the hair at the top. We can also see that he has an accessory piece that has two tails just like the original design. He seems to have short legs and the details of the white and red on the boots. Last but not least, we have Big the Cat. This is definitely a bit of a lesser known Sonic character to most people, but a lot of you guys were leaving me comments that you were really looking forward to see him in the game. This Big Fig looks great. I love the purple and darker purple color scheme and the details of the face. We can also see that large belly and the belt detail that's just like the one on the right. Don't forget that the Sonic the Hedgehog level pack, as well as all the rest of Wave 7, comes out this November 18th. The team over at TT Games definitely took these character designs really seriously and gave us all the details that we'd expect, plus adding a bit of that LEGO flair. And getting to see this picture just makes me even more excited for what's to come in Wave 7. I know I can't wait to play through the Sonic level pack, but let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you think of the picture, and did they get all the details right? And if you like what you saw here, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up down below and subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. That's all the time we've got for today. Thanks, and have a good one. Hey guys, Michael here. Click here to learn all about the Beatles Yellow Submarine set, and don't forget to subscribe.